Hi students, welcome to the end of week 9. We are now going into week 10. I just wanted to do a quick video to introduce the midterm exam that's coming up. It's not technically an exam. Really what it is you're going to have a full week to do a very short 3-page essay. And it's more of a polished draft because you're going to turn it into essay 3, which we will talk about and I'll post another video for in the middle of next week. So, but let's get down to it. Let me show you the page itself so I can talk you through the prompt. So, okay. So we are now exiting week 9 and entering week 10. So I'm going to go to the notes on the midterm in a second, but first I'm going to go over the prompt. So by this point, you should be almost done reading The Sun Does Shine. If you're not, don't worry. Do your best to finish it up. And basically, starting today, you have 1 week. So it'll be due next Friday before midnight, so before Saturday morning. And it's a 3-page essay, double-spaced, of course. And it is a formal, I would say it's a formal draft, right? So you are going to have an introduction, a thesis, body paragraphs, and a works cited page. So the main topic is obviously injustice in the justice system related to The Sun Does Shine. But I do want you to incorporate into your paragraphs one outside source. So this can be either the supplemental articles I asked you to read in week 8 or the ones that you guys shared from week 9. It can be one that you found or one that you liked from one of your peers. You can do either. Now, I gave you some inquiry questions to kind of answer in your essay. You can use these, or you can use, if you have another question that you would like to explore in an essay, go ahead and do that. Just let me know what you're going to do. But I want you to be interested and want to write about it, essentially, okay? And you are going to have a works cited page for this. So let me go back to the notes so that I can take you through that. So, okay, so the notes for the midterm. So again, it's a formal draft, right? So you should have a hook. Make sure you introduce the main text and author and provide a summary. So The Sun Does Shine by Anthony Hinton. Provide some information on the inquiry question that you are going to be answering in your essay. And then end your intro with your thesis/argument. When it comes to the supplemental article, the outside source, you do not have to mention it in the introduction. I would bring it up in a body paragraph where you're going to discuss it and introduce it by the full title and the full author's name, and provide a brief summary of the supplemental article in that paragraph as well. And then also remember you need a works cited page. I did provide a link to Purdue OWL. So because one of your sources will be outside and probably be online, basically the format for that is, the author's name, the title in quotation marks, because titles of articles are always in quotation marks, the publisher, the publishing date, the URL, you're going to copy and paste it, and then the access date. So for example, I did one for you. Pretend I was doing Eric Schlosser's piece, so it would be Schlosser Eric, the Prison Industrial Complex, the Atlantic Daily, which is the publication, the date it was published, the URL where I got it, and then I just pretended that I was looking at it today. So that's how you would format the access date. So the date you personally found that article. You also will need to cite The Sun Does Shine. It's a book, it's a text, so it's a totally different citation. So obviously the author's name, the title, the publisher, the city of publication, and the date it was published. Unless you are using an online text, then you would want to cite it much like this, okay? So yeah. Oh, also, your MRLs are due Friday before midnight, so make sure that you turn those in. And then I am going to be posting information about the next essay pretty soon, so look out for that next week. And I will be posting your grades for essay 2 probably by Wednesday of next week. So anyway, I hope you guys are staying healthy and safe during this crazy time, and good luck.